Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
How would you like to get PLR rights to my entire digital online business, which has taken me over a decade to make? You're going to get PLR rights to every single one of my products I've ever made, and also my entire membership site content, which has taken me over 2.5 years to create and build. So here's exactly what you're going to get. So the first bundle that you get is all of the content which I have currently in my membership site. These are all topics to do with making money online and internet marketing and online business. So the first module is getting started. We've got online tools, side hustle methods, product creation, affiliate marketing, video creation, free traffic, list building, PLR, sales funnels, product launching, email marketing, mindset, productivity, YouTube, profitable services, and also there's 2 extra products in there as well, the bullet cash method and email mastery. So that's just the first bundle. You will get access to this instantly with full PLR rights, meaning that you can pretty much do whatever you want with this bundle. You can launch your own membership site. You can re-release each of these topics as standalone products if you want to. You can use them as bonuses. You can use them as content in some kind of a paid membership site or a paid members only area. Entirely up to you. The options are almost endless. That's the first part of the bundle. The second part of the bundle is I'm going to give you PLR rights to all of my previous digital products that I've released, and these have made me well over $500,000 over the last 6 to 7 years. So you get 30 more products, and within these products there's over 250 videos. So in the main bundle there's 115 videos. In this second bundle, there's over 250. So that's a combined total of 360 plus videos. So just imagine how much time this is going to save you when it comes to content creation and trying to build lists, make money, and just trying to get ahead online. This is going to save you years and years of time, because this has taken me a long time to build and a long time to make. You might be wondering why I'm now giving away rights to all of my products and also all of my content. Well, it's quite simple. Over the next couple of years, I'm going to be making the transition into a completely different industry and market. So this is why I've decided to now give away rights to my entire business. This is one of the most valuable bundle deals you will ever see. This is absolutely insane. So there's over 360 videos, 17 modules as part of the main PLR vault. 17 modules here, over 110 tutorial videos, and another 250 videos in the actual product bundle as well. An absolutely insane deal. If we go over to this area here, this is the actual membership site where I currently have all of my content. So you can see this is where I've been teaching all of my members online marketing, online business, and how to make money online. I've been doing this for the last 2.5 years. So all of the content that you're getting in the main bundle is my premium content that I've been using for the last 2.5 years. It's still up to date, it's highly relevant, very valuable, and I have never ever given rights to any of that content before. So this is your one opportunity to get full rights to everything that I've ever owned on the internet in the last decade. It's an insane bundle. You can click the button below, grab your copy before the price goes up even more. So I really look forward to seeing you on the inside, because this is a once in a lifetime bundle deal that I won't be doing again. So make sure you click the button below, grab your copy, secure it at the lowest possible price, and I will see you on the inside very soon. Take care.